Did life begin in the early universe? Dear listeners, in this audiobook, I explore a fascinating question: did life originate in the early universe? Please listen to the full episode and support my research by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. 1. The mystery of life's origins. Life on Earth has existed for about 4 billion years, but what if it didn't start here? What if life began in space, billions of years before Earth even formed? This idea is both speculative and scientifically possible. It suggests that life could be widespread in the universe, lying dormant in cosmic dust, frozen on asteroids, or thriving on distant planets waiting to be discovered. To understand this, let us explore 3 key questions. Why did life appear so quickly on Earth? Could life have started in space? Where should we look for alien life too? The life paradox: how did life appear so fast? One of the biggest mysteries in science is how life formed so quickly on Earth. The early Earth was a hostile place. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was covered in lava, volcanoes, and constantly bombarded by asteroids. The conditions were too extreme for life to exist. Then, life appeared almost immediately. As soon as Earth cooled enough for oceans to form around 4 billion years ago, life suddenly emerged. Microbes spread quickly across the planet, from deep-sea vents to rock surfaces. The chicken and egg problem of life. Life needs DNA or RNA to store genetic information. But to make DNA, you need proteins, and to make proteins, you need DNA. This creates a paradox: how did both arise at the same time? Forming these molecules by pure chance should have taken billions of years, yet life appeared very quickly. Since Earth was only a few 100 million years old when life emerged, some scientists believe life didn't start here, it came from space. 3. The evolutionary clock, tracing life's origins. One clue comes from studying how DNA evolved over time. The growth of genomes. Bacteria have small genomes, while complex organisms have much larger genomes. If we track how genomes have doubled in size over time, we see a pattern. Fish have twice the genome size of worms. Humans have twice the genome size of fish. On average, genomes have been doubling every 350 million years. Reversing the clock, life may be 10 billion years old. If we trace this pattern back in time, the simplest possible life form would have existed 10 billion years ago, long before Earth even formed. This suggests that life didn't start on Earth, it started in space and later arrived here. If true, this could mean life is widespread across the universe, waiting for planets like Earth to provide the right conditions. 4. Could the universe have been a cradle for life? Was there a time when the entire universe had the right conditions for life? The universe once had the right temperature. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot. As it expanded, it cooled down. About 10 to 17 million years after the Big Bang, the universe had temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees C, perfect for liquid water to exist everywhere. This means life could have formed almost anywhere in the early universe. Did the right chemical elements exist? Life needs carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus, which come from stars. If early stars formed and exploded as supernovas, they could have spread these elements across space, seeding the universe with the building blocks of life. If life did start early, it may have spread across the cosmos, waiting for the right planets to continue evolving. 5. Could life travel through space? If life started before Earth, it might have spread across the galaxy. The theory of panspermia. This idea suggests that life can move between planets on asteroids, comets, or space dust. Microbes could survive, frozen inside asteroids for millions of years. Protected from radiation in deep space. O. Reactivated when they land on a habitable planet. Did life arrive on Earth from space? If life traveled to Earth, it could explain why it appeared so quickly here. Maybe life was already evolving elsewhere, and Earth was just one of many places where it continued growing. If this happened, life should exist on other planets too. 6. Where should we look for alien life? If life started in space and spread, we should find evidence somewhere in our own solar system. Mars. Oh, ancient Mars had rivers and lakes. Oh, if life arrived there, we might find fossils in dried-up riverbeds. Europa and Enceladus, moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Oh, these moons have underground oceans of liquid water. Oh, heat from their cores could create the right conditions for microbial life. Titan, moon of Saturn. Oh, Titan has seas of methane and ethane instead of water. Oh, it could support exotic life very different from life on Earth. If we find even the smallest microbes on one of these worlds, it would prove that life is not unique to Earth. 7. Are we part of a cosmic family? If life started billions of years ago and spread across the universe, it might exist everywhere. Some planets may have only simple microbes. Others may have oceans full of strange creatures. A few may have intelligent civilizations, beings looking at the stars, wondering if they are alone. If we all share a cosmic origin, then all life on Earth and beyond is part of one giant cosmic family. Could it be that right now, on some distant planet, life is staring back at us, wondering the same thing? 8. What's next? The idea that life began in space is still speculative, but scientists are searching for answers. Missions to Mars, Europa, Enceladus, and Titan could reveal signs of past or present alien life. If we find even a single microbe on another world, it would prove that life is common in the universe. In the future, we may discover other civilizations or even evidence that we came from the stars ourselves. The answer may be closer than we think. We just need to go out and find it. Underscore 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 on. Dear listeners, this is my research work. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you for listening.